Hi, my name is Mikayla Sanchez, and this is the Common Core standard that we are going to be learning today. We are going to be multiplying by using groups of objects to give the total number of objects in groups. To get started, we're going to use the multiplication sentence 3 times 4. Here we have 3 groups. We are going to be using these paper students as the objects that are going to represent the total number. Start off by putting one student in each group at a time. As the groups start to fill up, we know that they have to have an equal number of students in each group. So since we need to have 3 groups of 4, all 3 of the groups can have no more than 4 in each group. Now that all the students are in the groups, we can easily see that 3 times 4 equals 12. Now we're going to show 3 groups of 5. Here we have our 3 groups like we did last time. But instead, we're going to need more students. So as we start putting the students into each group, we have to remember that there needs to be an equal number of students in all 3 of the groups. So once they start filling up, we know that we need to have 3 groups of 5, so we fill up the 3 groups with 5 students in each one. Now we have 3 groups of 5, which equals 15 total. I'm going to show one more, which is 4 times 5. So we need to have 4 groups of 5. Instead of having 3 groups, we need to have 4 groups. Now let's put these students into the 4 groups. Like we did last time, we have to make sure that there's an equal number of students in each group. So since we know that there needs to be 5 in each group, start filling up the students in each group until there's 5 in each one. Now we can see that 4 groups of 5 equals 20 students total. Here a 3rd grade class is going to be demonstrating what we just learned today. I told them they're going to be representing 3 groups of 5, so they start off with drawing 3 groups with chalk on the blacktop.
That's like a 9. Okay, now draw 2 more.
Their circles weren't perfect because it was a little hard for them to draw a big circle on the blacktop, so I told them as long as you can see the groups, it's fine.
Okay, now all of you guys stand up.
Now that they drew their 3 circles, I told them there needs to be 5 in each circle. So here they're all running to each group, and there needs to be 5 in each group. The middle group had 6 at first, so I reminded them that there can't be 6 in each group. There can only be 5. Now they have 5 in each group. So I asked them, how many groups are there? And they said 3. And I said, okay, so how many people are in each group? And they said 5. So I asked them, what is the total number of students represented in this group? And they said 15. I hope you have an idea of how to use groups to represent a total number when multiplying. Thank you for watching.